How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I day trade options using Thinkorswim, how I use their active trader to give me the quickest execution possible. I'm actually going to place a live trade in this video, so be sure you stick around until the end. Before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right into this. First off, you want to come up here, select trade, come to active trader. You have to have the desktop platform downloaded to your computer. So make sure you're just not logging in online. Make sure you download it to your desktop. Now, once you have that done, click trade, active trader. You should pull this up. I have a chart and active trader selected. I only have one box. If you want multiple traders, you'll come here, select whatever setup you want. But for this example, we're going to stick to one box, and I'm going to have the options chart up with this as well, just so you can see what's going on here. Now, first off, I like to have auto send checked. So what that does is going to allow me, when I click buy, it's going to do it automatically. I'm not going to have to go through another screen to, get my order in. If this is unchecked, once you click buy, another box will pop up. You have to confirm your trade there. You do not want that when day trading. You want to be able to get in and out quickly, so make sure you got that box checked. If you want to adjust the quantity you see here, you would come to setup to do that. If you want to adjust the buttons that you see here, you click this gear icon and add whatever you want to your current set. If you want to adjust where they're at, you just simply click on them, hold, and move them up or down. Now, I know you don't see this P&L when you start this. I put that in there so everyone can see. I had people ask me about this a lot. You simply come to this gear icon here, the small one, customize, and that's where you'll add the P&L in there. So we got that out of the way, right? Try to keep these videos short and to the point, provide you the most value without rambling on about nonsense. So you understand how to get the buttons on, how to adjust your quantity. You understand auto send needs to be checked. If you want to adjust your buttons, again, you do that here. If you want to, add stuff to your bar here, you do that here with this gear icon, right? Super simple stuff. Now, you're probably thinking, how do I get the options into the active trader? So you can see how to get stock tickers, but how do you get your options in there? So first off, if you want to trade stocks using active trader, you would type that in here, right? So if you want a Tesla, you type in TSLA, it'll pull up the stock. You could trade the stock here. Now, if we want options, what you do, you click down, go to options, click that. Whatever you want to get options on, you type that in here, okay? And if this doesn't load, if you type in a ticker name, it doesn't load the options. Sometimes you have to exit out, log back in for that to work. Something to keep in mind. You can adjust how many strikes you see here. We got 14 selected right now. The different expiration dates are here. As you can see, we're looking at SPY, for example. All the different expiration dates. You got calls on the left, puts on the right. So now you want to put one in. Let's say we want this 417 call option that expires today. We clicked it. Now it places it in our active trader. So we got an interactive trader now. If we want to buy one, there's different ways to go about this. You can see I have buy market for the buy, or I can come down here and buy limit by clicking here. So if I click buy limit, whatever is selected, that's the only price you're going to get filled at. If I click buy market, that's going to get me into the trade the quickest, and that's what I typically do when I'm trading SPY options. They got good liquidity, good spreads. You don't want to be buying market if you're trading some stock that has bad spreads. And honestly, you don't want to be trading that stock in general if the spreads are bad. So now let's just get into this trade. Let me just buy. Okay, we bought one, right? We're in this trade. This is a live trade. This is not a fake account. This is what I trade on every day. So I purchased that. I got filled at $52 per contract. We have one. We're up. We're making money. We're actually making decent money off this. Let's sell. Let me just sell market. Got me out of that trade. I just made $11. You all see me make that there. And it's as simple as that when you're executing with the active trader on Thinkorswim. I did sell market. A lot of times I'll join the ask. It tends to give me a much better feel, but it doesn't always sell right away. Okay, so it may take it a second. It may have to push in your favor a little bit more to sell, by joining the ask. And yes, you can place a stop loss here. You can come down and say if we bought in right here, we could place a stop down here. That way, if it dropped down and hit our stop, we would, allow for the proper risk to reward. You can always drag your stop up or down once you have it set. But be sure when you go to sell, be sure you cancel out that stop loss or it will not let you sell, okay? And that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this, always feel free to reach out to me. If you feel I didn't include something that would help you out, DM me on Instagram. We'll see if I can make the next video something that would help you out. One last thing, be sure you're subscribed to my channel with the notifications on. You have to have the notifications on to get more content like this. It really helps me out. I don't ask for much, but please have the notifications on. That way you can make sure you watch all my videos. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.